Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I like to show you the Disney Designer Collection by Colourpop, and if y'all are new to my channel, I love anything and everything related to Disney. Yeah. So when Colourpop released this, I had to get most of the stuff. There are some items that, I didn't need, that I didn't want, but I got most of the items that was in the collection. But first, just to let you know, I had to move back from my original filming spot because our Christmas tree, we put up our Christmas tree and it's right here in the front window. So I had to move back. So I'm hoping the lighting is okay. If not, I'll probably find another spot to film. But it is kind of nice, sitting here and looking at my Christmas tree. I'll insert a picture of it from my view, and then I'll probably show one from a side angle because of the lighting from the window. And at night, it's just beautiful. I just love this time of the year and the lights and the meaning of Christmas. This tree, I put my ball ornaments on it. I just think it looks really nice with just the ball ornaments. And I have another one, our family one with our homemade ornaments and whatnot. But yeah, so hopefully this spot would be okay with the lighting. But again, it is kind of nice looking at my Christmas tree while I'm filming. Okay, let's get to the collection. The ones that I did get, I got the palette here. It's called It's a Princess Thing, and it's really neat. It has 6 of the Disney princesses here. It has Tiana, Ariel, Belle, my favorite, and Jasmine, Snow White, and Cinderella, and they're kind of like in designer gowns. And it's really nice when the light hits it. It looks, kind of holographic. And it has the names on the back, and this palette is called It's a Princess Thing. I kind of like the name It's a Princess Thing. And when you open it up, on the inside cover, it has the signatures of the princesses. When you go to Disneyland or Disney World and you line up to meet the princesses, to take their picture, they'll sign your autograph book, and it's really nice that they have the signatures here. There you go. You get 15 shades, a mixture of mattes and metallics and shimmers. And it's the look that I'm wearing right now, and I'll put a little tutorial here in a few minutes. But let me go ahead and swatch these for you. The first row, you have Chip, Juju, Grumpy, Triton, Abu. Second row, Prince Charming, Ray, Fairy Godmother, One Kiss, Thingamabob. Bottom row, Enchanted Rose, Poison Apple, Magic Carpet, Beast, and Midnight Curfew. It has your pinks and neutrals and neutral browns. A real pretty palette. There are a couple of shades here, like this one, Prince Charming. It kind of swatched chalky. But this one here, Thingamabob, that one's a beautiful silver. And these two right here, you would think that they're matte, but they have like silver glitter in them. But these are nice shadows for the price and the theming. I just love It's a Princess Thing. I also got this bundle of 4 Super Shock shadows. I can't tell you how many times I said that. But I found this bundle at shopdisney.com. It's a Disney Store website. And this bundle is called Fairy Tale Moment, and the set of 4 cost $18. If you buy them separately, it's $5. And I did buy one separately that was not in this bundle. It's this one right here. It's called Under the Sea. Real pretty. And it cost $18. And here are the 4 that comes in the bundle. And if you look on the cover of them, I'm going to try to do it without the glare showing in your face, sorry. But it has an imprint of the castle, Cinderella's castle. But I just think that is the cutest thing. Now the 4 shades that are in this bundle, you have, so this is Love. It is a soft pink with a frosted finish. A Whole New World, which is an icy lavender with pink, silver, and baby blue glitter. Be Our Guest, which is a berry pink and it has blue and a violet sheen. Almost There, which is a deep bronze with silver glitter. Now this one, A Whole New World, the lavender one, it's real beautiful, but when you swatch it, it's not vibrant enough. So this is more of an eyeshadow topper. It's what I used as a topper on the look that I did. Now there are 6 in the Super Shock shadows, so I got the 4, and then I also got this one by itself. Under the Sea, it is a seafoam green, and the singles cost $5 each. And also from the Disney website, I bought the lip bundle. This one cost $42, and separately they cost $7. Now, I believe this one's already sold out at the Disney Store website, but I did notice on Colourpop's website that they do have a new kind of bundle. They have a lipstick, a lip gloss, and a Super Shock shadow. A Super Shock shadow bundled together. So whatever princess, the color of the lipstick and the shadow and the lip gloss, they will bundle that together. And that bundle costs $18. It does come with highlighters, but I did not get the highlighters because I don't need them, and lip glosses, which also I didn't need. Alright, let me show you how I came up with this look using the palette and the Super Shock shadows. And then on the other side, we will swatch the lipsticks. Already primed and set my eyes, and I set it with this first shade right here called Chip. And now I'm going to go in for my transition shade, this one right here called Grumpy, right there. And just place that in my crease and above it. Kind of like the shade Grumpy. It's really pretty. And it's blending out very nice. Alright, next I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Abu. That's from Jasmine. Very nice. And I'm going to place this one in my crease. I'm just going to go in lightly because I don't know how pigmented this is. And yes, it is pigmented. So just start here in the corner and then just bring it in. Alright. Yeah, that's really nice. Real pretty. Okay. Okay, in this look, I think I'm going to go in with these two shades right here, going for a purpley pink kind of a tone today, and I'm going to go in with Enchanted Rose, this one here, and put that in the center of my eye. I'm going to use my finger. Let's see how that works. Ooh, that is real pretty. That is real pretty. Oh, yeah. Alright, so next to Enchanted Rose, I'm going to go in with Poison Apple, a little bit more purple shade here. Again with my finger. And I'm going to place this on the outer corner of my eye. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the Super Shock shadows, and I'm going to go in with So This Is Love, this shade right here, and pop that in the inner corner of my eye. Again with my finger. Okay, I think I went a little bit too much in that one, so I'm going to go back with Enchanted Rose and kind of fill that in the middle. Whoops. And you know what? I'm going to put a whole new world, and I'm going to put that, I'm going to try to put that all over my lid just to see what that looked like. Because this is more of an eyeshadow topper to me. I'm going to start it on the outer corner first just to make sure I don't mess up the look. Okay, that did give it a little bit of sparkle. How'd that look? Not bad, not bad. We're still going to keep playing with it. Next, I'm going to go in with Magic Carpet here on the outer corner to give it some dimension. And you know what? Just to, use as many colors as I can, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, Beast. It has a lot of glitter to it, so I want to put that one also in the outer corner of my eye, just to, have some fun. This is going to be a hodgepodge of an eye look today. Alright, I think I used as many colors as I could from this collection. Alright, let me finish putting the rest of my makeup on, do my hair, and we'll play with the lipsticks. Alright, and here's the finished look. The shadows, the mattes, they blended out very well. They don't swatch very well, but they do blend out very nicely. And it's not muddy on my eyelids at all. And there wasn't that much fallout, or actually there wasn't any fallout on my cheeks. And I like the colors from the Super Shock shadows in this collection. But to be all honest, I kind of like the collaboration with the Make-A-Wish. I love those colors. I don't know if I'm partial to both. I love Make-A-Wish and I love Disney. But I think for the colors, I prefer the Make-A-Wish more. But these are really nice. These are really nice. I'm not knocking it. I can't wait to make a look with this Under the Sea, the seafoam green. This one's going to take a lot of guts for me to do it, but I will try to do it. And I do like this look. It's very pretty, kind of springy almost. All right, now for the lipsticks. They do come in this real sleek gold casing, and it also has the signatures of the princesses around them. It is their Cream Luxe lipstick, which is a creamy matte. I'm not familiar with these type of lipsticks, so this is the first time that I've tried them, but they are very creamy. They glide on very nice, and they are very pigmented. The one I'm wearing right now is Belle, and it's an Enchanted Rosy Berry. And I think this one matches the look that I'm going for today. Then you have Ariel, which is a peachy beige nude, and Cinderella, a true blue pink. Jasmine, which is a vibrant hot pink, and yeah, that is a hot pink. Then you have Snow White, which is a candy apple red, very fitting for her. And Tiana, which is a deep oxblood red, and this one is very nice. And Tiana, that one is a beautiful, beautiful deep red. I like that one. That one's perfect for the holidays. Actually, I kind of like them all. Even that hot pink one, Jasmine, that one's really nice too. All in all, I love this collection. I love the packaging, you know, with the 6 Disney princesses in their designer clothes, and the castle on the cover of the Super Sock Shadows, and, you know, the signatures, the autographs on the lipstick bullets. The shades are very nice, very fitting, and the lipstick, I like how creamy they are, the creamy matte lipsticks. They're not very drying. I don't know how long they last, but probably 3 to 4 hours, maybe, my guess. But I'll let y'all know how long it'll last. I'll probably put it right here or in the description down below. But yeah, I'm really happy with this collection. I'm really happy I got it. You can get these at colourpop.com or shopdisney.com. They do have a few items left on Shop Disney. And again, on Colourpop, they have a new collection, you know, the single Super Shock Shadows with the lipstick and the lip gloss together. And a few bits and pieces here and there, but it's a really nice collection. Really nice. I'm happy I got it. Yay! Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this Disney Designer Collection by Colourpop. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.